You post a new reel, it racks up thousands of views, and your follower count ticks up. But when you check your earnings, the balance hasn't moved an inch. Having an audience that passively scrolls through your videos is not the same as having a customer base that actually buys the products you recommend. Right now, those scrollers are ignoring the shop entirely. Today, we are going to change that by building an automated creator commerce funnel using Zokera in just under 6 minutes. To start, you only need 3 basic things ready to go: an active Instagram account, a free Zokera creator account, and a clear, specific content niche. Setting up this system bridges the gap between scattered attention and a streamlined process for turning followers into customers. Step 1 is building your foundation. This is your customized Zokera digital storefront, the single destination where all your product recommendations live. Inside the dashboard, you browse catalogs of major brands like Myntra, Nika, and Agio, selecting items that match your content and adding them to your storefront grid. Include products from 3 different categories to give your audience more reasons to explore your shop. Make sure these categories stay relevant to your niche. Promoting tech gadgets alongside skincare, for example, confuses your audience and makes recommendations feel less focused. A niche-specific storefront provides a single destination for your followers to shop, which helps reduce the friction of having too many disconnected options. In Step 2, you'll take your storefront link and place it at the main interaction points on your Instagram profile. The link should live in your main bio and be pinned under a dedicated story highlight. This ensures that no matter how a follower finds your page, the shop is visible. Highlight the specific benefit. On Zokera, audiences earn cash back on every purchase through your link, giving them an incentive to shop with you. Update bio text every 2 weeks, rotating phrases like "new pics added" to keep the call to action fresh. Warning tone: simply pasting a link is often ignored. If you don't explain the financial benefit of the cashback, you're missing the main reason for your audience to take action. Link placement becomes significantly more effective when tied directly to a tangible reward for the viewer. Now for Step 3. We are going to automate the most repetitive part of the sales cycle, delivering individual links to interested followers. Instead of manually responding to every "where is this from" comment, you can assign a trigger keyword, like the word "deal," to a specific product story. When a follower replies to your story with that keyword, they instantly receive a DM containing the link to your storefront. This system handles those requests at any time of day, meaning you are providing the information your audience wants without needing to be constantly online. Because it delivers the link the exact moment a follower expresses interest, Auto DM captures intent while it is at its highest. Step 4 focuses on the content itself. You need to create formats that naturally lead viewers toward using those trigger keywords. High-performing formats include short product demos, visual before. Avoid promoting products just to earn a commission. If you recommend something you wouldn't actually use, your followers will likely notice, which can damage your long-term credibility. Genuine content paired with a single, clear instruction makes it easier for your followers to move from watching to buying. Finally, Step 5 is about scaling. You'll transition from guessing what might work to making decisions based on your actual results. Check your Zokera dashboard analytics. Look specifically at which products get the most clicks and convert to sales. Take your top 3 performing items and pin them to the top of your storefront, ensuring your most popular items are seen first. Review this data every week. Mondays are a good time for this, to see what content performed best and which products your audience is currently interested in. Using these analytics allows you to invest your effort into promoting the specific products your audience has already shown a clear interest in. Your storefront, bio links, and automated DMs are now connected into a single loop. Your automated sales funnel is now active. Remember to maintain this system year-round. Only posting about products during major sale seasons makes it harder to build the consistent trust needed for long-term income. Regularly reminding your audience that they earn money back is a key reason for them to choose your link over going directly to a brand's website. It's time to move from learning to execution. Register your account today to start building your storefront, and subscribe for more ways to monetize your social media presence.